Hello, my name is Scott Ross, and I'm one of the heart surgeons with Roper St. Francis Cardiac Surgery. My family is completely the rock that keeps me grounded. Anytime outside of work, I try to just be as normal as possible and spend a lot of time with my family. It just keeps everything much more balanced. My practice covers all of adult cardiac surgery, but I've really built focus on heart valve surgery, surgery for atrial fibrillation, and then also the minimally invasive platforms and the techniques to be able to do those operations. The experience that we have here and the team that we have developed is unmatched, and we are able to do and have done the most minimally invasive heart surgery in the state. We've had numerous wonderful stories of patients, and I think the things that stick with me the most are the cards that I'll get from patients and their families at, a year anniversary or a 2-year anniversary from their surgery, and they tell me about the family cruise that they were able to go on, or the wedding that just happened, or a special anniversary that they were able to experience. That in and of itself really just speaks volumes to what impact I can have and the team can have on these people's lives. This is more than just doing a job every day.